Ever dreamed of diving into the world of Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or Illustrator, but hesitant about the commitment? Today, I'll show you how to effortlessly activate your free trial of Adobe Creative Cloud, giving you full access to all the tools you need to unleash your creative side. First, head over to the Adobe Creative Cloud website. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. If you already have one, simply sign in, then click the free trial button. Be mindful that Adobe often changes the location of the button, but it is typically easy to find and stands out on the site. Next, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose which Creative Cloud product or all apps you'd like to try. If you want access to the entire suite, select all apps. If you have a specific product in mind, choose the one that fits your needs for the most comprehensive experience. Opting for all apps is usually the best way to explore. Now, you'll need to select your trial plan. Choose the plan that's available to you. Adobe will guide you through the process. It might ask for payment information. However, you won't be charged until your trial period ends. There are usually a few different options. Select the one that suits you. After that, the Adobe Creative Cloud app will begin to download and install. Once the complete installation is complete, launch the Creative Cloud app. From here, you can easily download and open any of the Adobe apps you wish to use. Congratulations! You now have access to the Adobe Creative Cloud suite and can immediately begin exploring the apps. Use the trial period to discover the tools and find out what you like. Be sure to explore the applications to see what is available to you. Experiment with the various features and try out different tutorials. Remember to make the most out of your trial. Learn the fundamentals, develop your skills, and embrace your creativity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.